Today I have all of my fall stuff out, and I want to show you guys my whole little process of putting things out. I have no idea where anything is gonna go. My sister and her family are coming over, and we're gonna do some fun things, and I need to put all my fall stuff somewhere in the house. They have about 2 hours left, so I need to clean the house. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got. This is literally all of the fall stuff I have. All those little knick-knack pumpkins. I got rid of some of those last year, but this is pretty much all of our stuff. This is my wreath. I got it last fall. I love it. I got it from Home Goods. I made this little bunch from the Target dollar spot, $3 a piece. And I think these are so cute. I got these 4 sets from Michael's today. They were all 40% off, so I got 4 of these. I got this shabby chic pumpkin, which I really love. I got that from Home Goods. These 2 pumpkins are from the Target dollar spot. Kitchen towels from Home Goods as well. I got this set of 2 pillows from Home Goods. I cannot spend $25 on 1 pillow for fall. I just can't do it. These right here, the pack of 2 for $24. So I feel like that'll give me fall vibes anyway. I just can't. Pillow from Walmart. It wasn't in their fall section. It was just in there where their regular pillows were. No idea where I'm gonna put this. So I've had these for a couple of years. These are from the Target dollar spot, and they're just like little pumpkin bowls. Sometimes these are in my coffee station. They're all over the house sometimes. Target dollar spot. Tea light candles to go in here. All of these little pumpkins are from the Target dollar spot. Target dollar spot, Target dollar spot, Target dollar spot. This centerpiece right here from Home Goods. So that's pretty much everything. So I forgot about this little thing. I got that from the Target dollar spot. These 2 prints were from last fall. I bought the frames from Michael's. The prints are from an Etsy shop. I will link it all below. It's from my friend Stephanie from Basil Chic. Also got this one. And then there's a 4th one. I still need to get that printed out. And I got this from the Target dollar spot as well to put some kind of like floral arrangement in, I guess. All right, we got to get started. Okay guys, so I need to clean the kitchen really quick. Kind of get it situated. It's super frantic when you have people coming over and you want to just like make everything look nice. Alexa, turn the kitchen lights to bright white. Did that make a difference? I don't know. Stop, Blake. But one thing you will not. Fur blanket has been on my couch all year. I think I might get a fall throw just so I can change it up a little bit. Now is fold that the rest of those like blankets, put them away, put the towels away, go through the guest toiletry basket and put that up here on the dresser. And then the last thing is probably vacuum, and then I can leave this room alone. Alright, so I've got Advil makeup remover wipes, big thing of body wash, Shout to go wipes, lotion, deodorant. I think I need a men's deodorant in here. If you guys see my recent linen closet organization video, you know that I use this box in my linen closet to keep all like backup guest toiletries. Yeah, I don't have any toothbrushes in here, so I need to add some toothbrushes. These are really good guest toothbrushes to get because it comes with the cap, toothpaste, and a toothbrush. Sister is coming with her husband and their kids, so I'm gonna add a men's deodorant, dental floss, probably add in this lint roller. That's gonna be it for the basket. And here I'm gonna put water in here. This doubles as a drinking glass too, so later on I'm gonna put water, ice water in here.